Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use camera Pro mode on the OPPO A77. First of all, we have to go for the more modes, then click on the Pro and take a look right here. First of all, I can recommend you to select this icon. It's located on the right upper corner of our camera preview. And as you can see right here, you can find description for every parameter like ISO, white balance, shutter speed, exposure compensation, and manual and automatic focus. Next, I'm going to show you how to adjust these parameters. So let's focus on this bar at the first. Here we can find exposure compensation, and as you can see, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. There is no this automatic adjustment button. Next, let's move for the upper bar. Here we can enable, for example, shutter delay, flashlight. We can also find the histogram, and we can change the aspect ratio. And that's all. Hope you like it.